Audi works with us since 2014. And the interesting part is that France, for a European country, is actually quite big. And to bring about 1,000 people from the different car dealerships and offices from Audi around France just for training in Paris was very, very expensive. Not only that, a lot of the times the train or plane schedules would not match with the day or with the time that they had available. So they would incur in extra costs, extra nights of hotel, extra food, extra everything. Once we consulted with them and we were able to implement the Ubicast studio room, which is a small facility in one of the offices, equipped with all that you need to create content and distribute it to your employees in a whenever you want, whatever you are type of way. You give the employee the freedom to learn at their own pace, to refresh themselves as well. And we were able also to avoid that certain stigma or shame that comes with raising your hand and saying, I do not know. Can you explain me again? Or I did not understand. With this, the knowledge stays in your hands, even after the fact, even after the training. So you're able not only to do a number of things like I'm going to show you on the video, like create your personalized notes or reach out to the facilitator, the teacher, in a private way, or you can just simply watch the video a number of times and get the point, or even just refresh yourself. This is especially handy in terms of employee onboarding, new security and health and safety protocols and measures. We have seen that rise a lot in the past year and a half.